documents. It is a fact that CCT chairman have been invited 3 times on ill health. He sent letter to the committee of his inability to attend. The last sitting we had, he sent his lawyer, and we said we cannot entertain his lawyer before the committee. That we needed him to come personally to come and defend this case of allegation against him before Nigerians. So we slated another date for 29th of June, and it was not available. Before then, on 16 June 2021, a letter withdrawing that petition from the committee was sent to my office. This is Clement Swaggart, Clear Napak Dambo C13 Phase 4, Unity Road, Kuduru, Army Estate, Abuja. To the Chairman Senate Committee of Petitions, petition of Mr. Clement Swaggart against the brutal assault and violent attack by the Code of Conduct Tribunal Chairman, Danladi Umar. I, Clement Swaggart, the petitioner in this matter, hereby discontinue and or withdraw my petition wholly against Mr. Danladi Umar, the Honorable Chairman of Code of Conduct Tribunal, CCT. Thank you. Yours faithfully, Clement Swaggart, 08116382366. This was received in my office dated 16 June 2021. When I was intimated with this development, I said, no, this cannot happen. I called Clement Swaggart to ensure that this was not a misrepresentation. Clement Swaggart answered me on the speakerphone that his father ordered him to go and withdraw the petition. I said, is the lawyer, his lawyer, that have been conducting his affair pro bono for him since the inception of this hearing. Was he informed? He said no. I said, well, if he's not informed, he is the one that brought petition before the Senate. There is no way you can validly withdraw this petition before the Senate if your lawyer is not involved. And I called the lawyer. I ordered the clerk of the committee to call the lawyer to go and meet his client for them to come with a position paper to the committee whether the petition has been validly withdrawn. I said, this is a case that involves Nigerians. Nigeria is interested in this case of assault. If anything has transpired between his client and CCT, they should go and iron it out and come back to the committee. The position of the committee as we speak today is that this petition is not validly withdrawn from the committee. And last sitting, we fixed another 13th day of July as the time for hearing. And I made it clear to the whole world that CCT chairman must come and explain to the whole Nigeria. If he has agreed with the petitioner on terms of withdrawal, they should go and say before Nigerians. The Senate Committee on Ethics is the voice of Nigeria in the Senate. And I believe we are senior citizens in this country, and we believe that justice must be done in any case before us. So, based on this particular letter written by the petitioner, I ordered that the lawyer should go and meet his client. But it was amazing to me to hear about the news that the lawyer that I ordered to go and meet his client to come out with a position paper was coming there to blackmail the history of the Senate. This will never be accepted by anybody. I have a paper here, signed by the petitioner, the man that was assaulted. Even in the court of law, if any plaintiff has a right to withdraw his petition, or not before judgment. This particular paper is written by the petitioner. We are not instrumental to it. So that particular lawyer, if he's so mischievous to downgrade the history of the Senate that stands for Nigerians who cannot bite, who cannot knock door. We are knocking door for them here. And if you don't start to blackmail us, that is mischievous. So the old Nigerians, the Senate of now Assembly of the Lawan, we hold our integrity intact. And this particular letter written by Swaggart that was received in my office on 16 June 2021 is still with us. But we are still expecting the petitioner to come with the CCT chairman to come and face the committee on 13th of July 2021 to come and clear this issue before Nigerians. As we start today, this petition is still on. I mean, the petition is still before us. We have not written our report to the Senate at the plenary for approval or otherwise. But the question remains that we are still expecting the petitioner, his lawyer, and CC chairman to come before the Senate of Federal Republic of Nigeria on 13th July 2021 at 2 p.m. to come and clear issues. Then, Dan Adi Umar, the CC chairman, also is invited. He must be personally present. In this time around, nobody will take any excuse of e-ed from him. He must personally come and tell us the circumstances behind this withdrawal by the petitioner. That is the position I said, let me clear to the whole world. And this institution remain steadfast. This institution remain as the ombudsman of the Senate of Federal Republic of Nigeria. It remains as the voice of the voice of Nigeria. We are here to do justice, and it's not a court of competent jurisdiction, but it's a court of the people. That is representing the interests of all Nigerians in the Senate of Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much.